Hello everyone and welcome. In this tutorial, we will take a look at the global settings options in the Eventful plugin. These settings help you control the overall styling and behavior of Eventful from one central place. Instead of configuring the same options again and again for each layout, you can define important defaults here and save time while keeping your event layouts consistent across your website. Let's begin. First, go to Eventful in your WordPress dashboard. Then, open the Settings page. The first section is Color Scheme. This is one of the most requested features by Eventful users. With the Color Scheme settings, you can globally define the colors used across your layouts based on your brand. This means you do not need to manually set the same colors every time you create a new layout. You can set default colors for the filter bar, filter buttons, show and hide filter buttons, read more buttons, social icons, pagination, load more buttons, typography elements, and other layout parts. You can also set global colors for pre-made theme styles, carousel controls, and other interface elements. This is especially useful if you want all your event layouts to follow the same visual identity. For example, if your brand uses a specific button color, hover color, and text color, you can define those once here and reuse them throughout your layouts. This saves time and gives your website a more polished and consistent appearance. Next, open the Custom CSS and JS section. This area allows you to add your own custom CSS and custom JavaScript. Custom CSS is useful when you want to apply extra styling adjustments beyond the built-in options. For example, you may want to fine-tune spacing, typography, button styling, or layout details to match your website perfectly. Custom JavaScript can be used if you need additional front-end behavior or custom interaction for your layouts. This section gives more flexibility for developers and advanced users who want extra control. Next, open the Advanced section. Here you will find a few important system-level options. One of them is the Clean Up Data on Deletion option. If this is enabled, Eventful can remove its data when the plugin is deleted. This is useful if you want a complete cleanup after uninstalling the plugin. You will also see options for enqueuing or dequeuing assets, such as Swiper JavaScript, Swiper CSS, and icofont. These settings help manage which files are loaded by the plugin. In most cases, the default settings will work fine, but advanced users can use these controls if they want to optimize asset loading or prevent conflicts with other plugins or themes. Finally, open the Accessibility section. This section is especially important for carousel layouts. Here you can enable carousel accessibility support. When enabled, Eventful provides accessibility messages for the previous slide. You can also customize the message for the next slide. There are also fields for the first slide message and the last slide message. In addition, you can customize the pagination bullet message. These settings improve the accessibility of carousel layouts for users who rely on assistive technologies. This helps make your event layouts more usable and inclusive. Once you finish adjusting the global settings, click Save. Your global defaults will now be applied across Eventful layouts where relevant. This makes it much faster to create layouts that already match your preferred colors, behavior, and accessibility settings. And that's it. You now know how to use the Global Settings section in Eventful. Thank you for watching, and enjoy building consistent and beautifully branded event layouts with Eventful.